All right, here we are today for a 2-minute drive-by professional learning session on Sage Portal. First thing you want to do is go to sageportal.org and click on the Teachers button. That takes you into your teacher resources. Click on the online reporting system and log in.
I'm so excited to see how my kids have learned or what they've learned this year.
Yes, and to see the difference between this year and last year. That'll be exciting.
Yeah, that'd be cool to see if we've done any better this year than last year as a team.
I know I've worked harder.
So your email is your username. If you forget your password, just click on the forgot password and they'll send it to you. Okay, when you get to this screen, just click on the score reports. It usually takes a little bit of time for this to load, but you can click on these buttons before it's all loaded. Okay, so I can click here on grade 8.
I know that if I want to see individual scores, I can just click on the class that I'm in, but you said you had some other reports that I'd be interested in, so could you show me how to get to those?
You bet. So if you hover over any of these, you can view by student, you can view by reporting categories, or you can view the trend. So let's look at one of those trends. Let's see. So here's the trend, and this shows the summative scores we got last year. You got last year with this class, and the summative scores this year. By the way, we can also compare those scores to the district, or to Dixie Middle School, to our rest of our team. Chris, so here we see two trend lines: the district trend line and yours, and down here there's a little key down here so you can see which is which. Also, if you want to flip down to the bottom table, if it gets muddled and hard to read, you can see the numbers down there.
That's an interesting graph.
Chris, another cool thing we can do is if we pull this up, we can just hover over your name and then click on reporting categories. We can break it down and look at trends by subject or trending.
That'll be helpful. Thanks. Are there any other reports or things that I should know in using Sage?
Well, it's a great question. If we go back to the page that we came in on, you can actually look at not only comparing scores from last year to this year, but where your kids were last year and those same kids are this year.
All right. Thanks, Robert.